Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Waze and confirm you're signed in so changes sync across devices. Tap the search bar, then the settings gear to access navigation appearance. You do this because vehicle icons and profiles live in settings. Changing them here updates route visuals immediately. Once done, locate the display and map or navigation section. This is where icons and driver profile are stored. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active, so Waze saves your selection. Now choose how your vehicle appears. In display and map, tap vehicle icon or avatar to view available icons. You'll see preset cars, trucks, and whimsical options. Pick one that helps quick visual recognition on the map. If available, change color or upload a custom avatar image. This personalizes your Waze experience and can improve glanceability while driving. After selecting, confirm or save so Waze applies the new icon immediately. This prevents reverting when the app restarts. Finish by returning to the main map to confirm the new vehicle icon displays next to your location marker. This verifies the change took effect. If it doesn't, force close and restart Waze because cached data sometimes delays visual updates. If restarting fails, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that Waze has storage and network permissions so settings can sync. One tip: clear the app cache or reinstall only if sync still fails. That resolves persistent display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.